friends, today I will do a origami fish craft. It will be very easy and simple. So let's begin, guys. First of all, we will take a sheet of origami craft paper. Then we will fold it into a triangle. Make sure that the edges go perfect. And then we will again fold it like this. Then we will unfold it like this. Unfold it and do it on the other side. Next, we have to fold the paper in halves. Now, we can just do like this. Make sure that the edges go well. Then take one side and fold it in half like this. Then open that side again and fold the other side. Next, unfold that one and do this together now. Next, take a black marker or whatever colored marker you like and do a eye here and mouth. And then you have your easy craft paper. Thank you guys, and if you enjoy my videos, be sure to like, subscribe and smash that notification button. Thank you.